Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Abidemi, a project manager and automation specialist. In this quick video, I'll help you understand four important Airtable basics, which are tables, fields, record, and views. Think of it like learning the building blocks before creating your own custom tools. So let's start with tables. A table is just like a sheet in Excel or Google Sheets. It holds one type of data, for example, a contact table or a project table for tasks. So here's my contact table. Each row here is a different person. Now look at the columns. These are called fields in a table. Each field holds one kind of information. Either it can hold a name, an email, a phone number, and so on. So the cool thing about field is that you can choose any type of field that you want from Airtables. So if you click on this plus sign, you can see different type of fields. You can add an attachment, a checkbox, single select, user, and so many more. Now, a record is one full row. It is one complete entry in your table. This right here is a row, which is also known as a record. So in our contact table, each row is one person. So we have this Abidemi Raji. This is one person, and these are all the details for Abidemi Raji. So if you add a new contact, if you click on this plus sign to add a new contact, let's say James Banks, and you want to add the status of the client, if the client is a prospect or a lead. If you want to add if the contact is a lead or a prospect for a client. So if you want to add notes, let's say I met James at the bank last month. And this automatically does put the dates added. So if you want to add your attachments, you can add any file, documents, images under the attachment. Also here, you can add the job title of your contact, you can add the company of your contact, and you can also add their email. Then let's go on to views. We have views. Views is one of Airtable's most powerful features. A view is just a different way to look at your data. Automatically, Airtable gives you the grid view by default, so you can add as many other views as you want. Here, I've already added views, and if I click to see the gallery view, it shows like a contact card for my contacts. As you can see here, I've added their images, the name, the phone number, the email, and the company where they work. So the gallery view gives you, will I say, it's a perfect view for visual data with photos. Now, the calendar view, it shows your record by date. If you click on this, you can add the calendar view, create new view. It just gives you like a view of like the calendar. So now the Kanban view, it helps you manage stages of pipelines. In Kanban, we have work in progress, limits, to do, and the like. So here we have the lead, prospects, and clients. So this is showing us the Kanban view. So there are so many views you can add. You can add the timeline, you can add the list, you can add Gantt. Now you can also filter. You can filter your views, you can group them, you can sort, can change the colors of your table. So that's it. Those are the four core building blocks of Airtable. Once you understand tables, you understand the fields, you understand the records, and you understand the views, everything else becomes a lot easier. So in the next couple of videos, we'll be customizing our tables and adding automation. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you click like, subscribe, and share. Bye.